In this video, we will discuss setting the handpiece wire length on a CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then enter the Settings menu. From there, select Equipment. Next, select Delivery. Scroll down to Delivery Setup. Then scroll down to Wire Length. Choose 84 inches for 12 o'clock deliveries and 61 inches for all other delivery types. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.